Soybeans can be found all over the world in countless forms, from edamame to soy sauce to soy milk. They're an extremely versatile little legume. But today, we're getting an inside look at the production of one of the most common forms, tofu. We're at a space owned by an organization called CAN, which stands for Culture, Art, and Nature. They're on a mission to give back to the community by hosting workshops and events, but they also run a soybean shop and factory where they make all sorts of delicious food variations. We're here with Jyunjyun to get more of the story.
Hi, my name is Sean. I'm the marketing manager here in the CAN, which stands for Culture, Arts, and Nature. We want to use the culture and the creativity to revitalize the township here and also change the lives of our students. We want to share the stories of our craftsmen, the farmers, our kids in the communities.
Right. So part of the goal of the CAN is to really put more focus on local.
Best in
products.
local is our core value.
Right. So we're about to have 3 soybean-based dishes or bean-based dishes.
Right.
Do you know what we're gonna have?
Black tofu, tofu-shaped ice, and douhua. It's like tofu pudding.
Tofu pudding.
Yeah.
So these are 3 pretty separate kinds of dishes that all use the similar ingredients. I haven't tried a ton of like tofu, soybean type things.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for talking to us,
Thanks.
Sean.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna have some food. Hey there, welcome back to Secret Informant. We're here today with Jyunjyun. We got a little bit of a look at how tofu is made.
Yeah,
Yes.
20 straight minutes of just pressed curds. A little bit of pressure makes it strong.
Exactly. Tofu is one of the strongest materials known to man.
We should make spaceships out of tofu.
Okay, so what are we looking at here then? We got 3 dishes in front of us.
Yes.
Tofu pudding.
It's really soft, as you can see, it's really soft.
Oh, and what's this?
Black bean tea.
Black bean tea. It's a little bitterness to balance it out.
Yes.
And in the middle,
Black tofu.
black tofu. So normally tofu and soybean milk and everything, that's all using soybean.
Yes.
But this is black bean.
Yeah, black bean. And it's popular to have it in summer because it's cold.
Oh, okay.
I'm assuming this is in also like tofu.
Yeah, it's another tofu pudding, but it tastes more like jelly and puddings. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so wait, which one would we start with then? This one probably.
Yes.
And then we treat ourselves
Yes.
because we deserve it. Okay, black tofu.
It tastes
All
like
right.
normal tofu, not like any special smell with
It's
no.
not like stinky tofu.
Yeah. Totally not.
Is there like a really significant difference between the taste of black bean and soybean?
I can't tell the difference.
Oh, so it's pretty similar. All right, I'm going right in. I'm sorry,
Here we
guys.
go.
That soy sauce is really interesting because it's like soy mixed with something. I just don't know what it's mixed with.
Soy sauce
So just
glaze.
a soy sauce glaze.
Okay, delicious. How about, wait, which one next? Maybe the shaved
This.
ice because it's
This
gonna
one.
melt.
Yes.
Okay, so how do we even attack this? It seems like if I feel like I'm gonna wreck something if I go right in there. Delicious. Well, I don't know yet. Let's go.
I really like how the black beans are kind of tougher. Crunch is not the right word, but it's like a harder chew. There's a bit more of a chewiness to
Got
them.
more structure.
Yeah, they hold well.
Yeah.
And then there's the ice and then the delicious jiggly jelly tofu.
And I love the taste of green tea. So having that kind of like extra flavor on top just really kicks it for me. It's the kicker. So this one should be a little easier to get everything in one spoon.
Yes.
Okay.
Wow.
Here we go. Down the head.
Oh,
Very similar.
yeah.
It's a similar taste, but I think that one is more like, obviously it's more cold because of the shaved ice, and this one is more like smooth. It's a little warmer, but it's still cold.
Yeah. I really like that
Rice bowl?
broth. Is it?
Yeah, broth.
Is
yeah.
it's just like a syrup soup.
Dessert soup.
It's kind of sweet. It's a subtle sweetness.
Jyunjyun,
Hi.
thank you so much. This was fantastic.
I have a question.
Yes.
Which kind of tofu pudding you like?
Oh. I think I like that one.
I like that one.
Usually an elderly likes this kind of.
Oh.
And I truly love this kind.
Interesting.
Well, I'm an old soul at heart, I guess. Yep. Thank you for the triple tofu experience. And thank you for joining us. If you like this, please subscribe. Maybe, if you want to. I don't know. If you didn't, maybe do it anyways. We'll see you next time on the next episode of Secret Informant. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching this video, which is produced by Tattle. If you don't know, Tattle is a platform connecting savvy locals with curious explorers. Check us out on social media and sign up for the newsletter at the link in the description. Thanks to Can for hosting us and to Jyunjyun for being our Tattler for this episode. And make sure you subscribe to Tattle for more videos from Secret Informant.